Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Amazon Echo Sub subwoofer. This should be a relatively quick unboxing. I think I'm going to leave the installation and configuration for a separate video, but I did just want to get this out of the box. Finally, I've had this sitting on my bureau for a better part of a month now. Just because I've been so busy, I haven't had a chance to get it out of the box, but I'm doing it as a follow-on video to a separate unboxing that I recently did of the Echo Studio. I have been enjoying the Echo Studio immensely since I took it out of the box the other day. It has awesome sound. My understanding is that pairing that with the Echo Sub is relatively easy to do inside the Alexa app. And then of course, I'm going to pair the whole thing up or team the whole thing up with my multi-room music configuration here, which involves several Echo devices, a couple of Echo Shows, Echo Dots, and an Echo. So I'm excited to finally get this out of the box and up my bass game here, in addition to all these other cool speakers that I have. So let me just show you what the box itself looks like. So nothing on that panel on the side. On the back, basically some specs. So this has probably the coolest thing is that it's 100 watts of bass. I mean, that's pretty loud. I used to DJ back in the day, and when I first started as a kid, I had 100-watt speakers, and they cranked up pretty good. Definitely not, professional grade. Like I said, I was a kid when I first started DJing, but 100 watts that's some pretty significant sound. And the other key feature is that there's a 6-inch subwoofer, so that's in addition to the subwoofer that I believe it's 5 1/4. That's inside of the Echo Studio. So between the two of them, I'm assuming that my bass game is going to be updated significantly here. There's also this sort of immersive stereo sound that will take place when paired with the Echo Studio. Amazon calls that 360-degree sound. It's actually Dolby Atmos processing, which not so much in this guy here. This is all about the bass, but in the Echo Studio, you get the Dolby Atmos plus, the bass kick here. It's going to be really cool, I think. And then just, some bare bones. What's included in the box is the Echo Sub and a power cord. So not a lot of excitement in terms of what's inside here, but I did want to be consistent and take this out of the box in addition to the Echo Studio video, which I will include it as part of a playlist here, so the Echo Studio follows up. But yeah, so the sort of cutout in terms of what the speaker looks like inside, I mean, that's just it's a monster, and this thing's pretty heavy. It's got some heft to it, so this is by far the heaviest Amazon speaker that I've unboxed to date. So I do have my handy unboxing knife here. I don't think I'll have to use it because it has one of these little tabby things that I can just rip off here. And as I've said in other videos, I mean, Amazon really, they do a great job with the packaging. It's not over the top, but everything is packaged up nicely. Let me see if I can take that off. We have our little Amazon smile here, obviously. I'm just not sure if you can see that. But you can't. Yeah, this is going to be cut. There we go, underneath the third. And then they have, as part of the heavier speakers, they include this canvas bag inside, which is nice and really makes it easy to remove the speakers. Echo Studio had a similar one. So I am just going to pull this out gently, and then I'm going to set the box aside just for a moment. Actually, let's set the canvas bag aside just for a moment, take a peek in the box here. So all that I'm expecting to see in here is a power cord and some documentation, and indeed, that's exactly what we have. So we do have the bare bones, sort of documentation. So not a lot to this other than the fact that it's a great subwoofer. And my understanding is that in the Alexa app, if you go into the settings of, for instance, Echo Studio, Echo Show, and a couple of other Echoes that this supports, I believe Echo Dot is also supported the newer generations, as well as is the Echo Plus as well. You can pair them nice and easily with this. And then similar to the Echo Studio, this has sort of the more of a premium feeling power cord than some of the other Echo devices. And so I'm just gonna remove the tape just to show you what we've got here for length in terms of the cord. It does the job. I mean, you can't really ask for much more than this. This is a quality adapter. And yeah, so that's, so that's basically the size of the cord. Let's see if we can do it in the video in here. And then there's just a little plastic thing that needs to come off the end before you plug it in. So that's all for the cord with the sub. And now now I'll remove the box and I'll put it right next to my lovely Echo Studio box. And I'll move this more into the center of the, hopefully hopefully you guys can see it. Let me see if I can sit in the center of the video here. Yeah, and so I'm just gonna slide this out, and wow, it's, this is a big speaker. A little bit bigger, so I've done my research and I've seen this before, but you don't really know until you take it out of the box yourself. And this is a monster, wow, and it's heavy. I mean, this is easily 5 pounds, maybe 8 pounds, something like that. I mean, I could do curls with this and probably get some muscle definition going. But yeah, so a really cool looking addition to my Amazon Alexa smart home setup here. And then I'll just read this here. So stop, please set up your other Echo device before plugging in your sub. So I already have my studio set up, so that's good. And after your compatible Echo device is set up, refer to the enclosed quick guide to complete it's super simple from what I can tell. There's basically a setting in the Alexa app where where it actually says pair a subwoofer. So it should be as easy as that to get it set up. I will create a configuration video at some point, and I also plan to do a demo of this as part of my multi-room music. But super bare bones. I'm trying to figure out where the power cord plugs in here. Maybe it's actually right under here. Yeah, so that's where your power cord goes, and then there's the on button. And again, of course, a little warning here, which I know that I've already got that set up, so I'm good from that perspective. And then you just take this guy here and plug it in. Whoop. And it seems like there's just unlike the other Echo devices, you just have the one button, which is nice and easy. Presumably that's the power on and power off. But yeah, so essentially that is it for the unboxing of this cool new subwoofer that I am stoked to add to my multi-room music configuration. And hopefully this was somewhat valuable for you just to sort of get a peek at what the speaker looks like. It's got the felt wrapper, obviously, with Amazon's new generation look and feel for the Echo devices. So, and that's basically it. But I love the look of it, and I know that I'm going to love the sound, particularly because I think this is going to give my overall sound between the Echo Studio and the Echo Sub a serious upgrade, which is pretty cool. So anyhow, if you got any value from this video, if you just wouldn't mind giving me a quick thumbs up, it really helps out my channel a lot. And if you are into Echo devices and she who shall not be named, I'll just go and spell it out, Alexa. I do a ton of videos on my channel all about that sort of thing, as well as smart home technology. So please consider subscribing as well. Thanks, and thanks for watching. And again, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.